This one card makes your flights 25% cheaper, sneakers up to 75% cheaper, iPhones 10% cheaper, and lets you save a total up to 3 lakh rupees on everything. Yet, most students graduate without ever using it. Why? Because companies aren't going around promoting it. Your college won't tell you. क्योंकि जितना ज़्यादा तुम पे करते रहोगे, उतनी brands की जेब भरती रहेगी. But you're covered. At Stack, we've already done the digging and found the best student discount deals for you to save your hours and hours of research and money. And yes, none of it is sponsored. Hi guys, I'm Vanshika, your go-to finance bestie, and I've used all my presentation skills that I learned in my 3 years of college and divided this video into 5 clear categories: fashion, entertainment, my favorite, food, travel, and tech, with a step-by-step process of how to access these discounts. Let's begin with fashion. So in fashion, the best platform, or we can say the mother of all, is Unidays. You will literally find each and every brand here. You name it and it's there. Unidays has 300 plus brands listed. Here you'll find brands like H&M, Myntra, Snitch, Puma, Swarovski, and many more. And it's not limited to fashion. You also get up to 10,000 rupees off on Apple products, around 30% on Samsung, and solid offers on HP, Lenovo, and Dell. Basically, most major brands in one place. To use Unidays, just download the app or visit the website. Sign up with your personal email and verify your student status by uploading your student ID. And in case you don't have a physical ID, your college enrollment letter or portal login works too. Verification takes just a few minutes, and once approved, you can start using the discounts right away. And the best part is, every week, new deals and brands keep getting added. So if you shop even once a month, you can easily save 800 to 1200 rupees or more without doing anything extra. And the next platform is Student Beans. It has a slightly more premium vibe. यहाँ तुम्हें 400 से ज़्यादा international brands मिल जाएंगे, like Coach, Guess, and Crocs. And again, not just fashion, but you also get 50% on Tinder as well. This is valid for 12 months and is completely free, so you can keep re-verifying till your graduation ends. Even our very own shark Piyush Bansal's Lens Card gives students buy one get one offers through Student Beans. At least life में कहीं तो तुम option नहीं हो, but तुम्हें option मिल रहा है, as you'll get 2 pairs for the price of 1. और Lens Card की IPO से तुम्हें फायदा हुआ हो या नहीं, but with student discounts you can definitely save 1500 to 3000 rupees annually if you buy 2 pairs. So now you can live your Dharma-style Bollywood college life without asking your parents for money or burning your own saving. It's a win-win. Now fashion is done, but let's be real guys, most of our time is spent binge watching shows till 3 AM, which brings us to the next category: entertainment. We all use these apps, but almost no one checks student pricing. You know, Spotify student premium costs just 99 rupees. YouTube premium student plan is 89 rupees. And honestly, no one wants ads. So this way you can get premium subscription without burning money. And here's the best part. Every Thursday, PVR Inox runs a student special with 50% off on tickets. मतलब 300 to 400 की tickets for just rupees 150, along with food bundle combos. Best time to impress your partner. And yes, a pro tip, flowers लेना मत भूलना. अब डेट पे जाओगे तो बिना खाना खाए थोड़ी आओगे यार. इसीलिए the next category is food. With Swiggy student rewards, by paying just 1 rupee, you get up to 67% off, free deliveries, and up to 20% off on restaurant bills via Dine Out. खाना भी सस्ता, deliveries भी free. अब सिर्फ Swiggy तक ही क्यों रुके? अब budget trips को मारो गोली. The next category, travel. Because most airlines provide student offers. Air India offers up to 25% off on domestic flights and around 10% on international trips. Indigo and SpiceJet also offer student fares with up to 10% off on base fare plus extra baggage allowance, ranging from 10 kgs to 25 kgs depending on the airline. Beyond airlines, aggregator apps matter. Like Ease My Trip offers up to 3,000 rupees off for students. Ixigo gives 10% discounts and has a dedicated student fare filter, so you can spot deals instantly. Make My Trip and GoIvivo also list student fares and student-linked offers. Register once with your student ID and that's it. Because once college ends, life is just deadlines and bye-bye discounts. Indian Railways also also offers student concessions of up to 50% on base fare, valid till 25 years of age. You just need to get your student ID and a bona fide certificate verified at the counter. So if you're an outstation student or someone who travels quarterly, you can save up to 8,000 rupees per year. State transport buses also provide student passes with discounts up to 66% depending on the state. For example, in Maharashtra, MSRTC offers close to a 66% discount. If you commute daily, that's an easy 4,000 rupees saved annually. Just check your state transport website for exact details as it varies state to state. Now we have covered fashion, travel, entertainment and food. So let's get into the category where we save the most, and by most I mean lakhs, and that is tech. Let's start with the GitHub Student Developer Pack. This is a gold mine for coders, designers, engineers and anyone in tech. You get tools worth rupees 1.9 lakh absolutely free for up to 4 years. Yes, completely free. On screen you can see the breakdown. 33,000 off on JetBrains, 20,000 off on GitHub Copilot and Notion Plus completely free. You just have to verify your student ID once and it stays valid till graduation. Next, Microsoft 365. You get 1 TB cloud storage, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Teams, everything at around 50% off. And let's be honest, who doesn't use Microsoft? Sometimes I feel kash main abhi bhi student hoti, because this is valid only till graduation. Same with Adobe Creative Cloud. You get up to 70% off with a student ID. Figma Pro is also available for free. Basically, you're saving enough money that you can almost buy a new laptop from it. And since laptop ki baat chali rahi hai, listen to this. Samsung Student Program offers 10% discount, cashback up to 12,000 rupees and upgrade bonus up to 8,000. Isn't it a steal deal? Then Apple gives students special pricing with up to 10,000 off on Macs and iPads, around 10% off on Apple Care Plus, and during back to school sales, students can get AirPods or an Apple Pencil for free. So yeah, that's something to watch out for. Dell and Lenovo also offer 7% to 10% student discount with extra cashback. Matlab easily saved 5 to 15,000 on big purchases. I've added a few more hidden student deals in the description, so make sure you check that out. Now comes the moment of truth. We ran the numbers and you can see the calculation on screen. If you actively use student discounts, you can save up to, drum rolls please, 3 lakh rupees over 3 years. That's not just savings, that's what smart money decisions compound into. So yaar, make the most of the student discounts and don't be mean. Share this with all your college friends and become the group's favorite. Also, comment your favorite deal and subscribe because we'll be coming up with videos जो तुमने पूरे YouTube में कहीं नहीं देखे होंगे. See you in the next one.